Yeah. So I have worked for a long time in healthcare and
Mm,
digital healthcare in particular.
mm,
So I worked with a company called Wealthy Therapeutics and with Fitterfly. They both were into diabetes digital therapeutics,
mm,
right? So I used to work closely with patients
mm,
as well as doctors
mm,
and coaches and technology teams, product teams, and all of that. And even though I was in marketing, but I used to sort of connect the dots there
mm,
and try to see what was the real problem, right? Um, that is one of the things that again is a skill set where marketing doesn't mean spending on ads, and I mean that is advertising, right?
mm,
It actually means that you go into the depths of the market fit and what actually will sell, what do the consumers want,
mm,
and all of that, right? So
mm,
I used to go deeper into that. I used to listen to a lot of calls. I used to sit on a lot of meetings and
mm,
conversations with patients and clients,
mm, mm,
even customers, not even like direct patients, like say insurance companies, pharma companies,
mm,
and all of that. So then I used to sort of take that together, then I observed that there are a lot of human elements also. It's not just about technology, right? Everybody's talking about technology, but what actually, even if you have the best app in the world, but if it doesn't take into consideration the core human drives,
mm.
right? What core human drive are you pushing there, right?
Right.
Is it ownership? Is it
Mm,
scarcity? Is it
mm,
what is it, right? So I studied gamification and design thinking at that time, and that really helped me a lot to understand and go deeper. Then I did some interesting things like starting communities for diabetes patients, and
right.
then I also uh, you know like published there's a lot of data that gets generated, right? So
Mm,
published like a reimagining diabetes care report every year, maybe. So those kind of things we used to do where basically disparate sets of data or insights, and then
mm,
we put it together in a meaningful way so that it is of use to someone.